Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Ankr price prediction and technical analysis for today. Before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. Easy profits. Click the link in the description box and in the comment section and it will guide you through the tires that we have right there. Thank you so much for watching. Let's go right now to see Ankr against USDT chart. As you can see, I am not a fan of top trend lines and I will show you exactly why right now. So if we draw a top trend line from this top right here, this high of the candlestick down to connect all the upper shadows, all the actually top wicks of the next candlesticks right there, you will see that we can either assume that we haven't closed above yet and we need to go and make another big movement right here, or we can assume that we find a little bit of a support level right now. We have closed above the top trend line. We are finding support right now, and this is good because we might be getting a little bit further upwards. I do not like top trend lines because they are very biased. In case I wanted to draw, for example, this top trend line right here, I would tell you that Ankr is bullish. In case I wanted to draw this top trend line right here, I would tell you that Ankr is bearish. So top trend lines and bottom trend lines manually, when you draw them manually, you are being biased. For the most of the cases, you have a biased opinion. Anyway, for the time being, for Ankr against USDT chart, you can see that I'm drawing the fib from the top to the bottom right here, and we have the 0.5 as a major resistance level right now. Now, if we just go sideways between these lines right here, the 0.04966 and the 0.05138, then we might manage, and we do not lose this line right here, we might manage to have a buying pressure. However, you remember that yesterday we talked about a possible descending triangle formation. If you have a little bit of imagination right there, this could be a bullish pennant as well, but I would disagree for that now, at least. Okay, I would stick that this is a long descending triangle. Anyway, Ankr can do anything by the time that it holds the 20-day exponential moving average. In the daily frame, we are seeing a very huge high risk in the Ankr against USDT chart, and I'm not sure how will Bitcoin will perform into the next few hours, because you can see right here, if we go to Bitcoin, it is holding pretty strong, it is holding pretty great. It has gone a little bit sideways right here, but at this moment, Bitcoin can just literally crash down. And I'm not sure how this Ankr will react into this crashing down situation that Bitcoin might be having. Anyway, I wouldn't be getting into Ankr right now, as it hasn't reached some important, and it hasn't closed above some important resistance levels. For example, if Ankr closes above this line right here, then I will say that it is very important to know that we might be getting all the way up until the point of 55.62. Yes, it is very likely that we can go all the way up there. For the time being though, I'm not seeing anything like that, except if we hold the point of 49.77. I'm just telling you that so you do not get to buy right now, because many people with this candlestick right here bought Ankr. Okay, so big money coming into right here in this close from futures mainly, but they might be getting dumped down and they might be getting liquidated. For what we want to do right now is to hold the point of 49.77. If you see Ankr losing this position right here, then it is very possible that we drop further down, going into the next price targets further down into maybe the point of 47.50 again, and we might be getting even further down as well. So eventually, please be extremely careful, as this pattern right here, it could be anything. Okay, it could be a descending, could be with a little more imagination and bullish pennant, although I think that we should be taking the Fibonacci levels into account, and we should be looking mostly the targets of the Fib levels from now, rather than having a nice, for example, candlestick pattern like the ones that we talked about before. But anyway, if we close above the point of 51.40, then we can go there. Now, can Ankr go all the way up higher? Only if we close above the point 0.5562, then we are going all the way up to the point 0.6223. Always keep that in your mind. We can close this in either 4-hour frame or on the daily frame. It does not matter. And if we lose the point 0.4750, we go all the way down, maybe into the point of 40.48 again. So I want you to be extremely careful, because right here, the situation in the crypto market is very volatile and we do not know exactly where are we going for the time being. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.